Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will start by making sure Python and Excel talk to each other. Install Python 3.10 or Anaconda, then run pip install Excelwings pandas open pixel so libraries exist. Once done, confirm you have Microsoft 365 or an Excel build that supports macros. Enable Trust Center macros and the Excelwings add-in if you plan to use UDFs. Create a project folder and save your workbook as XLSM to allow VBA interop. This gets you ready to write code that reads and writes Excel ranges. Now write the Python that operates on cells. Create main, py and define functions that take simple types or pandas data frame objects and return scalars, lists, or data frames. Then link the workbook. Insert the Excelwings VBA module or start the Excelwings run server to expose your functions as UDFs. Use Excelwings, book and Excelwings. Range to read ranges into pandas, manipulate columns, then write back with data frame. To Excel or range. Value for single arrays. Make sure to save frequently and test a small range first to confirm behavior. Finish by cleaning the workflow. Refactor slow loops into pandas vectorized code, add clear function inputs, and document expected ranges so you can reuse logic across sheets. Once done, package your scripts as a module and add try/except blocks to catch common errors. That makes debugging simple. If something goes wrong, first check the Python executable path and Excelwings configuration in the workbook, then verify Excel macro security settings. If calls still fail, restart Excel and the Python process, then test a minimal example to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.